guys, so I'm here today with my mint mongoose, which has finally arrived. My name's Fawn and this is my channel, and I try to make it a happy place. I do unboxings, I do subscription boxes, I do hauls, and I do a lot of chat. So if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, please do subscribe, click the thumbs up symbol and leave me a comment. So mint mongoose, I have no idea what month this mint mongoose is. I'm not doing very well with mint mongoose. I did order an extra box and that didn't come, and so it's very much sort of take it as it comes, and we'll see if there's any information inside. I'm having a job getting in even. Such a pretty blue, isn't it? See what it says, see if it gives me some idea. Okay, that's it empty. And as usual, I've got my piece of Werther's Original. And then I've got, oh, a pair of earrings. I think they're leather. Oh, see, a pair of earrings. Very pretty. Yeah, little leather earrings. Oh, and they're patterned on both sides. Look at those. Aren't they cute? They're just a traditional hook and eye. Well, I like the fact that they're patterned on both sides, so as they swing around, it doesn't matter which side you're looking at them from. They're really cute. And what else is in here? Then there's a little yellow bag with lemons on it. I don't know what that's for. Little drawstring lemon bag. Right, let's hope there's some information on the card and the envelope, eh? So the card says, our inspiration. Hi there, this month's set is inspired by my two little kiddos, brother and sister duo, Emma 5 and Emerson 3. A few months ago, they both started showing interest in something special, which planted the seed for the story which would lead to this month's jewellery set. I hope it brings a smile to your face. Okay, so let's open the envelope. No mention of the earrings or of the little lemon bag. I think the lemon bag confuses me more than anything else. Let's see if I can get it open. Oops, here we go. And then slide it out. Okay, right. So first up, look, there's a little brooch or pin. I know you got, some of you guys would say, there's a little cat. A little black cat pin. Oh, I like that. That's so cute. And then there's a little thank you card saying, yay, it's here. Doesn't tell me what month. So then there's a really pretty little ring, little gold ring. I tend not to wear, I wear the same rings all the time. So let's just see if I can get this open. I don't remember if I even gave my size for a ring. So, oh, it's adjustable. So that's okay. There we go, I'll put it next to my wedding ring. Could it be a thumb ring? I do love a thumb ring. There you go. Isn't that pretty? I think that's really, really nice. That's very, very attractive. There we go. Probably looks even better on that finger. And then, opening up the tissue paper. Ooh, there's lots in here. Lots of pieces. Let's have a look. So this is a necklace, I think. And as per usual, it's got the little cards on it that say spend £40 and receive your next box free. So if you go to Mint Mongoose, the shop, and find some things you like, Christmas presents, things like that, you'll get one of these boxes for free. So, I mean, it does come from the USA, but I think the quality, it's worth it. So this is a little necklace, and it has, can you see that? There is a moon. Yeah, a moon and some stars on a sort of an irregular disc. And the back is also very pretty. It has a little sort of starburst on it. Let's pop that on. I'm wearing plain today. Well, you know me, I'm always wearing black, aren't I? And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 stations that it can go on. I'm going to put it on the longest and just see what it looks like. Oh, here we go. There's me saying, I'm going to put it on the longest. I probably can't even do the thing up. Here we go, there we go, there we go. I've got it on. I've got it on. Have I got it on the right way round? It's the next. It's not really going to show very much. Oh, the gold shows really lovely. But it's the cat I was trying to show you. But of course I've got a black top on. And there we go. Hopefully you can see that okay. Then there is, what's this going to be? Oh, earrings. Earrings that look like they match. I can get them out. Here we go. Oh, they're pretty. Yes, they're little, just little stars. Can you see? Again, on what I've been told by Teresa T, are called shepherd's crook hooks. So there we go. That's the little set of earrings that go with the necklace. And then, last but not least, I expect this is a bracelet. Would make sense, wouldn't it? Here we go. Oh yeah, look how pretty that is. So, oh, and I can just slide that on. So it's turned over again. I think I put it on the wrong way around. But there you go. I've got the bracelet, got the necklace. You've got these fab little earrings. I'll put one in if I can. You know I have problems sometimes getting them in. Oh, there we go, it went straight in. How easy was that? There's the earrings. Oh, I think that is really lovely. I'm happy with that this month. Now let's just see. She said it was inspired by her kiddos, but what does she say? Yes, it's a lack of perfect symmetry because the shapes, they're not perfectly round. They're sort of slightly off. The kiddos started hunting for stars and the moon day and night. So she decided to get some of those glow-in-the-dark stars that can be stuck on the ceiling. Over the years, it's easy to be consumed with the to-dos of life that you forget to look up and stare at the stars, forget to take a moment and breathe, and forget to make time to just be. When you wear this set, I hope it reminds you of the pure innocence and joy hidden within all of us. The opportunity to serve and cross paths in this life with each and every one of you is so humbling and something I'm grateful for daily. And that's from Helena, the smiling face behind Mongoose. So I think that was a really lovely package this month. I mean, 2 sets of earrings. In fact, let's see if I can put a leather one in the other side. I'll have to remember I've done this, otherwise I'm going to answer the door and I'm going to look really strange, aren't I? Let's see. There we go. There we go. So I've got the leather with the really pretty flowers, little purple flowers, or I've got the far more subtle gold with the star. I've got the bracelet, I've got the necklace, but the only puzzle, I must say, and it really is a puzzle, is the bag. I don't know what it's for. Maybe one of you would have an idea as to what this is for and what I should do with it. But there we go. That was Mint Mongoose for the month. As we're here, I thought I'd do my Scentful subscription because this had come as well at the same time. So again, I'm going to have to cut it open. I like the way it's sort of so discreet looking in the black with the little emblem on it. So let's just see if I can get it open. Here we go. Here we go. I always look forward to this one. Love a bit of perfume. And again, in its lovely box, as always. Can I get it open? I can, and I have. Oops. And there we go with my 2 perfumes. So, know a perfume lover. Don't leave your friends behind. They can save 25% on their first Scentful box by using the code FRIEND25 at checkout. Yay! I like things like that. And then it says, hi Fawn, enjoy November's box from Scentful. Now I do buy all my own boxes, I don't get sent them. So in here I have Hugo Boss and Carolina Herrera. Oh, I used to love Carolina Herrera. In fact, I think it's a perfume that I used to wear. Hang on. So the Hugo Boss is called Alive. A new scent for 2020, Hugo Boss Alive is a contemporary and confident eau de parfum that leaves a trail of positive energy. Sparkling apple and plum top notes exude optimism, while a powerful floral heart of jasmine reveals radiant femininity. The contrasting base fuses woody notes with a magnetic vanilla absolute, bringing comfort and confidence. Right, let's go for it. Let's have a squirt. Ooh, it's strong. Right, here we go, the sniff test. It's strong. Ooh. People would know I'd come in the room. It's actually very nice. Yep, it's actually very, very nice. What does it say? It says it's classed as fruity woody, this one. And the top notes are apple and plum, with a heart of jasmine and cedarwood and a base of vanilla and sandalwood. Now they are all notes that I love, which is probably why I'm enjoying this so much. So I'm going to let that settle back and we'll talk about the Carolina Herrera one, which is 212 Sexy, which I used to wear all the time. And in fact, I even bought, there was a male version. I bought it for my hubby. Not that he ever bothered to use it. Doesn't use scent, so. Anyway, it says Carolina Herrera 212 Sexy is a sweet and mysterious eau de parfum. The refreshing top notes of the original 212 are maintained in 212 Sexy, enriched with a touch of pink pepper for a hint of intriguing spice. A lightly sweet and alluring fragrance, 212 Sexy evolves into soft notes of cotton candy for a subtle yet feminine edge. That's right, it is more of a day perfume. I don't know why they call it sexy, because I consider it to be a day perfume. It's not something that I would squirt on to be sexy, if you know what I mean. It's a really nice feminine. Yes, there it is. Oh, I do love that one. I'd forgotten how much I like the one. I don't have this one anymore. And I'd forgotten just how much I like that one. That is a real big winner with me. And the base notes on this one is classed as a floral oriental with a top of pink pepper, mandarin and bergamot, with a heart of gardenia, oh dear, pelargonium, cotton candy, and then the base is musk, vanilla and patchouli. Yeah, I do, I love that. That just takes me back. I bought that for the very first time. We were on holiday in the Canary Islands. I want to say Fuerteventura, I think it was we were at, and I wanted a perfume. So when I smell that, I associate it with, you know, the sun and the sea and a kind of a holiday feeling. But that is lovely. But I want to go back to this one. That is gorgeous. I say it every week, or not every week, I keep saying every week, every month. I say it every month. I haven't had a bust yet. I have not tried a perfume and just gone, oh, poo. And I think it's because of the quiz they get you to do. They can actually sort of tailor it slightly towards your taste. But, oh, really happy with these. Really, really happy with these. So that was my Scentful for the month. And it really is a lovely little treat that. It goes with the makeup subscriptions and everything. It just all works. So that was jewellery and perfume. So I smell nice. And I think I look quite nice too. Okay guys, so wherever you are, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a lovely weekend, and I hope to see you again really, really soon. Okay, bye guys.